Namaste everyone. Today we shall see the combination of AND formula with IF formula. So why it is used, we have to understand it with the help of example. Here is the example. You can see this table. I have drawn some of the employee IDs here and their designation and salaries. So you can just check out this criteria which is written in this green box. Only peon with salary less than 17,000 will get the salary increment. Okay, so we want to check which out of them will get the increment, and I will get the answer yes, otherwise I will get the answer no according to this criteria. Okay, now you can see this AND formula. What does this syntax contains? It contains only logical values. Okay, first of all, here is logical 1, logical 2 and so on if there are many logical conditions. Okay. So now in if formula, as you know, you can see this is the syntax of if formula equal to if logical test and value if true, value if false. I can apply logical test only once here, but with the help of AND formula nested inside here, I can use the many logical tests according to the given situation. Now let's work it out. Okay, see. Now the criteria here is that only peon with salary less than 17,000. Now let's check it out. Who will get the increment and who will not get the increment? Fine. Now here I will write equal to if. Now here I am going to write AND formula and first logical one. Now first of all, this person should be peon. So I will write in inverted commas peon. Fine. Then the second logical condition will be there. The salary here, this should be less than 17,000 according to this criteria. So I will write less than 17,000. And now AND is completed. So I am going to close the braces here. You can see the red braces. Now this logical test is completed. These two conditions are the one logical test here. Now you have to understand the format. AND means you have to select both of the conditions. You cannot leave one, you cannot choose. So the person should be a peon and must be getting salary less than 17,000. Then only he or she will get the increment. So if any one of the condition fails from here, then he or she will not get the increment. So now we are going to write, if both of these conditions are true, we want yes. Otherwise, we want no. No increment must be given to that person who does not meet these two criteria. Fine. So now this formula is complete. And I will press enter. You can see no, because this person is manager and moreover he is getting the salary 42,250. Now let's apply the formula to all by double click. You can see only two of the person are getting yes, the increment. Fine. Why it is yes? Now let's check it out. Press F2 key here in this cell. Why it is yes. Now you see this person is peon. It is meeting first condition, and secondly the salary which is less than 17,000. If you want to check, you can just go and select this much portion and you can press F9 button. Sorry, I have to select completely. Now press F9. Now see, it is true, that's why it is accepting this first value yes. Fine. And now you can I am coming to this situation here. You can see here why it is no. I want to check this one. Now you can see the person is not peon, but he is getting salary less than 17,000. Again I want to repeat, if any of the two conditions will not meet the criteria, he will not get the increment. You can see it is less than 17,000, but The person is clerk. Okay, this designation is clerk, so that's why he is not getting any increment. So that's why answer is no. Fine. So in this way the formula works, and this formula works for more than 2, 3, 4 conditions. It can be worked out for the many conditions according to the given situation. I hope you understood the concept. Do like and share and subscribe my video. Thank you.